Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll show you how to uninstall Zoom on your Mac using a few simple methods. If you no longer use Zoom or want to reinstall it from scratch, removing the app only takes a minute. To begin, open Finder from your dock. When the Finder window opens, look at the menu on the left and click Applications. This will display all the apps currently installed on your Mac. Find Zoom in the list, then click and hold the Zoom icon and drag it directly to the trash in your dock. That's the quickest way to remove the application. Another method is to right-click the Zoom app and select Move to Trash from the menu that appears. Both options achieve the same result, so you can use whichever feels more convenient. Before we continue, if you find this tutorial helpful, take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Mac and iPhone guides that make everyday tasks easier. There's also a third way to uninstall Zoom. Click the Zoom app once to select it, then move to the top left corner of your screen and click File. From the drop-down menu, choose Move to Trash. This is useful if you prefer working with the Finder menu options. After moving Zoom to the trash, you can right-click the trash icon and select Empty Trash to completely remove the app and free up storage space. Keep in mind that some Zoom settings or support files may remain on your Mac, but for most users, removing the app from the Applications folder is all that's needed. If you ever want Zoom again, you can simply download and install a fresh copy. That's all there is to uninstalling Zoom on a Mac. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and we'll see you in the next one.